In today's video, I'll show you how to cancel your Amazon Prime membership and explain when you might be eligible for a refund step by step in a simple way. If you no longer want to keep Amazon Prime, the cancellation process is straightforward. First, sign into your Amazon account using a browser or the Amazon app. Once you're logged in, go to Account and Lists and select Your Prime Membership. This page shows your current Prime status and benefits. Next, look for Manage Membership and choose the option to update or cancel your membership. From there, select End Membership. Amazon will guide you through a few confirmation screens, asking if you want to keep your benefits or end the membership right away. Follow the on-screen instructions until you reach the final confirmation page. Now let's talk about refunds. If you cancel shortly after joining a paid Prime membership and haven't used any Prime benefits like free shipping or streaming, Amazon usually issues a full refund. If you've had Prime for a while but haven't used any benefits since your last charge, a refund may still be possible. If you are on a free trial, canceling simply prevents future charges and you won't be billed. In some cases, even if benefits were used, Amazon customer support may still help depending on your situation. If you think you qualify, it's always worth contacting them directly. And that's how you cancel Amazon Prime and check if you can get a refund. Share this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.